As a job coach, fading is extremely important. Fading allows us to give the students the ability to become as independent as possible. So, when considering fading, think about these few key factors. Always watch before assisting. Give the student extra time to process and respond before redirecting. This allows them to think through the problem on their own without feeling like you are always there to help them fix a problem or come up with a solution immediately. Ask facilitative questions. For instance, what comes next? What do you think you should do next? What is our job task? Give choices often so the student can refine their decision-making skills. Continue to give choices throughout the time while you are coaching. And always start with the least restrictive prompts.